All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol WKHS. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is, welcome to all my first time viewers and investors. Hope you guys find this video helpful, informative, and worthwhile. If you guys do and feel encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell so that you guys don't miss out on a single video. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers that have been following me, supporting me, and commenting down below their positions, how they feel about the stock, any news that they want to piggyback off of what I state, and so forth. I really, really appreciate that from you all, and it means a lot in regards to what the stock's behavior is probably doing, and just all the different news so that other viewers and investors can go ahead and benefit from that information. Let's go ahead and put these resistance levels where they go for tomorrow. All right, so this actually had a slight jump here yesterday. It dipped, and today early in the morning it brought itself back up and dipped again, and now it's recovering. So this is just hanging out in waves and frequencies. But one thing I'm noticing is that every time it recovers, it falls. It recovers again, but it's recovering at lower points. It recovered here, it's recovered here, and here we are recovering again. So we're going to want to see on Monday if the bulls are going to be able to cross the 50-day moving average, or is this going to slightly dip again, do another recovery below this point, and continue this behavior. So in the sense of a day trader, that's great because you'll be able to analyze the entry points that are low and then continue the trend. But for how long can that trend be? I'm not sure. And this could also be a recovery that the bulls can use as momentum and not let this fall again, because they'll be able to break through the 50-day moving average, which is 1623. I'd write that down as I jump into this chart. But yeah, that's one thing I'm seeing here. It's falling, it recovers, but it's recovering at lower points every time. So let's go ahead and see what we want to pay close attention to for tomorrow. Our support level is 1584. If the bulls lose control and the bears tear this one down, their main goal is to break through the support, which is 1584, and bring this to newer lows. If 1584 does get broken through, I'd pay very close attention to the stock, because that's the lowest point it's reached since this point of bearish action, since it hit these highs of 1758 in the last couple of days. That is the lowest point it's reached since before the bullish run. The lowest point before the lowest run that the bulls went ahead and had this bullish run was 1529. So 1529 is a point of reference to see who's in control. Obviously, if 1529 does happen, this is significantly further away from the 50-day moving average and to way newer lows and breaking through multiple different support levels at that point. But that is something, if you want to write down, to pay close attention to on how much this is going to fall in the near future. If it breaks through support and works its way towards newer lows, 1529 will definitely give you that insight of who is dominating this one. Now, 1584, back to the support level here that is significant right now in a zoomed in portion of things. It is significant because it will be further away from the 50-day moving average, and if this gets broken through, it's going to hit newer lows that the bears can start to dominate this. And even if the bulls were to recover, they're going to have to come strong and hefty to get momentum and get going to cross over the 50-day moving average and recover this back into a bullish rally. So keep that in mind as well. Now, on the other spectrum of things, if the bulls can break through 1623, use it as support, they could be on their way to new highs, and those highs will actually be based on reaching the resistance level. So the main goal here is not to just cross the 50-day moving average, because this closed out at 1622, which is going to make this tug of war very interesting between the bears and the bulls on Monday. But 1641 is the most significant right now, so that the bullish rally can begin. So yes, 50-day moving average got crossed back into bullish territory, but you won't really know that the bulls have any leverage or control here until they break through 1641, use it as support, and work their way up to newer levels and newer highs. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. If 1641 gets broken through and you want to have another point of reference so that you could see in the longer run, right, in the next few days or longer run, throughout that same day if it's possible. 1667 is the resistance level that the bears are going to really not want to be part of, but that's the resistance level that the bulls will significantly want to cross to continue the bullish run after breaking through this resistance level and then get themselves up here at 1667. Use it as support, and new resistance levels and newer highs could be attained and reached. Hope you guys learned something new, found this video informative and helpful. For those of you that did, hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. Share it with your friends and community, and whoever feels inclined to subscribe and haven't already, do hit that subscribe button, but do not forget to click on the bell to get notified on my daily videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.